Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use the app. So how to log in on the desktop version. You can see this login button on the top right. So click on the top right and enter in your email and then enter in your password in the correct fields. Hit sign in. And here, when you first get in, you'll see the company stats. The dashboard is shown here. But we are going to open up the sidebar here, and we're going to look for create a new payroll, create a new time card V3. So it's a clock with the plus icon. And then you come in here, you see the new format, and we're going to find the personnel, enter in your name, if your name is not already in there. And then now we're selecting a project. So here we just select our project, Cesar Chavez, and you can enter in the start and end times as necessary. And if you can enter in a second project here, select from the drop down, and then click your start time, click your end time. So you have an overlap error. That means the end time went in between the start and the finish, so you have to correct that and hit send. And now we see this error. The error says duplicate field error. You have another time card, so that just means that for the week ending you already submitted one, so you have to click another weekend that you didn't submit the time card for. And so now we come to here and we select start and end times again and hit submit. And we get another error. So we didn't put our name in. If your name's not already in there, put your name in. Hit submit, and boom, you see the success message that came up in green. And to verify, we're going to go to mobile view. So you click on this mobile view tab, and you should see all the time cards that you submitted. These are all the unapproved ones. So we look for the weekend that we just submitted, look on the weekend, check the hours. These are the credited hours without the breaks. So check these, and then, yep, you're good to go. Your time cards have successfully been submitted. Congratulations.